Welcome to our channel. Today, we bring you how to make money from affiliate marketing. Have you always wanted to be a business owner? Do you want to be able to work from home and earn money without having to leave your house? You've arrived at the right location. I'm here to assist you in being free and having a fulfilled life. How? By demonstrating how to profit from affiliate marketing on the internet. The internet provides a plethora of opportunities for making money online. According to Upwork and the Freelancers Union, 35% of American workforce conducted freelance work in 2019. Furthermore, 77% of them claim that technology made finding freelance employment easier. One way to generate money on the internet is through affiliate marketing. But is affiliate marketing effective at generating passive income? Let's look at it more closely. Would you please subscribe and click the bell symbol to receive more videos before we continue? Affiliate marketing defined. Affiliate marketing is simply the act of selling goods and services from another individual or firm. It functions similarly to the referral service. You create a website or blog and sign up for affiliate programs relevant to your target market. These programs can be accessed through affiliate networks, which offer you a link to place on your website. You get a percentage of the sales as a commission when someone hits the link and buys the product. Can you really make money online with affiliate marketing? Yes, you may earn extra money and even a full-time income from home by participating in affiliate programs. Success comes not so much from what you do to make money as it does from doing what has to be done correctly and consistently. As it does with any home income venture, there are no restrictions on how much you can earn once you have made your initial decision. Let's pretend you're a cab driver. You are never idle because you're always occupied. Despite this, there's a limit to how many passengers you can transport to their destinations. This type of business has a revenue ceiling above your head that you will never be able to break beyond. You can cram a lot of people into your metaphorical cab with affiliate marketing. You also plan the route. The company does not erect any artificial barriers on your path to the top. You can climb as high as your skill level allows. How much can you earn? The affiliate marketing sector continues to expand. According to Statista, affiliate marketing spending in the United States is expected to reach $8.2 billion by 2022. This represents a significant increase from $5.4 billion in 2017 and $1.6 billion in 2010. A new report from VigLink takes a closer look at the amount of money affiliate marketers make. In 2016, 9% of publishers earned more than $50,000 in affiliate revenues, according to the report. The majority of retailers, 65%, indicated affiliate marketing contributed between 5 and 20% to their annual sales. The survey also revealed a correlation between revenue and experience. 60% of the top-earning merchants have been doing affiliate marketing for 5 years or more. The most significant advantage of affiliate marketing is that once you get it up and going, you can very much earn money on autopilot. All you need is a consistent stream of visitors to your blog or website. There are, however, some drawbacks. If a firm alters its affiliate program's conditions, it could directly impact your earnings. Getting involved with the incorrect firms as an affiliate can also cause issues. If your blog or website readership doesn't feel forced to acquire your items or services, you won't make any money. In addition, because affiliate marketing is becoming more popular, you'll face stiff competition from other marketers offering the same products. Finally, you'll need to keep people coming back to your website by providing new content. Pros of affiliate marketing. Bloggers, instructors, information entrepreneurs, and individuals who create and manage their digital properties, such as YouTube channels, will benefit from affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has several advantages that make it a viable home business strategy, including low overhead costs. Because most affiliate programs are free to join, your fees are primarily based on how you refer people and market yourself. There's no need to build a tangible product or service because you will be using one that already exists. You are not required to keep an inventory or transport things. Flexibility. As long as you have internet connectivity, you can work anytime and from any location. Supplemental income. Depending on how you market your affiliate networks, you may be able to earn passive revenue. It can be added to your existing home company to generate extra money. Cons of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, like any other business model, has its pitfalls and obstacles, which include time. Generating the amount of traffic required to produce cash requires dedication and experimentation over time. Affiliate hijacking, in which you are not given credit for your referral, might lose some income. Some businesses may not compensate their affiliate marketers. Lack of control. You do not influence how a company fulfills a product or service. Because a lousy affiliate referral might damage your followers' trust in you, you must research and choose quality firms. Affiliate marketing is a highly competitive field. Many affiliates compete for the same traffic and clients by promoting the same product. Obtaining approval as an affiliate for well-known companies or products can be challenging. Lack of ownership. The merchant owns the consumer. Your statistics will tell you how many sales of which product were made, but you won't know who made the transaction in most circumstances. It may be tough to tap into recurring sales as a result of this. Successful affiliate marketing. Earning a consistent income via affiliate marketing can be challenging, and standing out amongst other marketers advertising the same products can be even more difficult. However, there are steps that you can do to become successful and generate a more reliable cash stream once you've established a website, blog, newsletter, or social media account. Know who you're working with. Ensure you understand how and when you'll be paid for each affiliate program you're considering joining. Develop a sense of trust. Purchase the things you plan to sell so you can attest to their quality. Focus on the quality of your brand and recommendations, not just the income potential, because you'll be judged by the products and services you advertise. Your followers will begin to trust your advice and will be more willing to purchase from you. Make a name for yourself. Choose affiliate products that are relevant to your niche and blog's content. Don't rely just on SEO and social media to drive traffic to your site and affiliate referrals. Learn who your target market is, where you can find them, and how to encourage them to visit your website. Make use of a range of techniques. To avoid overwhelming your visitors, mix and match affiliate adverts. Content-embedded affiliate links usually have the best click-through rates over image links. To market your affiliate business, consider implementing a lead page and funnel system. Use a free offer to entice people to join your email list and include links to your affiliate product pages. Make sure you understand the legal requirements. Most visitors will likely understand that adverts result in personal pay. Still, if you write a review or advocate a product using an in-text link, you must expressly declare that each transaction made through the link may result in cash for you. This isn't just an innovative business, it's also the law. You could risk legal and financial consequences if you don't disclose affiliate or revenue-generating links. Keep track of your revenue and traffic. Keep an eye on the success of your affiliate programs, especially if you have numerous. To plan future promotions, you should know which programs are the most successful and which items resonate with your fans. Developing a successful affiliate marketing strategy. It's pretty simple to get started with affiliate marketing, but producing a long-term revenue from affiliate networks is an entirely different story. So if you want to give it a shot, you must first prepare the groundwork. Begin by considering your target audience. What kind of products and services are they looking for? Which items are you currently utilizing and would confidently suggest to your readers? Any affiliate program's links can be added to your site at any time. However, to increase the click-through rate and keep your audience, it's better to stick to products related to your website. After that, look into specific affiliate programs to see how their systems differ. It would help if you thought about the commission size and how often the company pays affiliates. Would you please make sure you're familiar with the guidelines they have in place for affiliate network members? Always keep in mind that affiliate marketing material similar to your own is likely to earn you more money. Finally, be honest with your audience. Including a disclosure in your blog entries or on your website alerts readers to the possibility of affiliate links. This information enhances your credibility and is required by the Federal Trade Commission's endorsement requirements. That's it for how to make money from affiliate marketing. If you liked our video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos.